Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase Ravencoin on Binance US. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm here on the Ravencoin website. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can find out more about it. Ravencoin is a fairly new cryptocurrency. It just came out in April of this year. So it's pretty exciting. It's being supported on a lot of exchanges, and there are a lot of wallets that have support for Ravencoin. It's basically a fork on the Bitcoin blockchain, which adds some additional functionality. Namely, it allows it to issue coins on the Raven blockchain, which can represent digital tokens or real-world assets. So we've got virtual goods like tickets. We've got, it can be tied to gold or silver, and it can also issue gift cards, reward points, airline miles. Pretty exciting. So I encourage you to check it out. Now, as you can see here, if you go to Get Wallet, they have their own standalone wallet, but there are also a lot of wallets out there that support Ravencoin, like Trust Wallet, Atomic Wallet, Crypto.com. So it's pretty easy to buy and hold Ravencoin. I'm going to show you how to buy it on Binance US today. Binance US is the new US arm of Binance cryptocurrency exchange. So it's fully compliant with all US regulations. So if you haven't taken the plunge yet into cryptocurrency trading, I encourage you to try out Binance US. Now, you will have to provide all of your personal information to verify your identity in order to comply with US regulations. That's just the way things are these days. All right, so if we want to make a purchase on Binance, I like to start over here in the wallet. We'll hit balance, and we'll go over and check out our wallet. You can see how much cash we have in our account, and then you can see all of the available cryptocurrencies down here below. And the ones that you have a balance of appear at the top. Now, if you don't have any cash in your account at the moment, all you have to do is hit deposit and fill in your amount and just go down and pull your bank from this list and then hit continue. It's very easy to fund your account. Now, if you don't have your bank account set up yet, just go over here to the settings. You can see all of these basic verification steps that you need to go through in order to verify your identity and connect your bank account. Pretty simple stuff. All right, so let's go back over here to our wallet interface, and we'll just go down here to Ravencoin. You can see I already have a little bit. So in order to purchase it, we're just going to go over to the trade. And you can see here there's a Ravencoin US dollar trading pair. So we'll just click that. And then we want to buy Ravencoin. I like to use market because the trade executes faster. And then I'll just hit 100% and use it to purchase as much Ravencoin as I can buy based on my US dollar holdings. We'll hit buy Ravencoin, and the market order gets created. And then we can just go back to the main part, go back to our wallet, and check our balance. You can see we've got about $86 worth of Ravencoin. And that's all there is to it. Very easy to purchase. And then you'll also notice that withdrawals are not enabled yet. You're going to have to wait a little while if you want to withdraw it and store it in your own wallet. But knowing Binance, it won't be too long before they've got withdrawals enabled. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.